Hi, I'm Ellie and I'm a Hobbycraft artisan, and I love everything to do with scrapbooking. Journaling is super fun and is a great way to track your mood, create to-do lists and be creative. Let's get started. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the Hobbycraft channel by clicking on the bell icon to be notified of future videos. To jazz up our front cover a little, I'm using this Winsor & Newton brush pen in my chosen colour and a black marker pen. I'm starting with the shade Pumpkin, drawing some shapes of different sizes. These pens will bleed and create an almost watercolour appearance, so you will need to allow these to dry. To decorate the page, I'm going to add some abstract doodles. You can draw anything you like, such as these scales, animal print, a cluster of lines, or maybe some leaves. In the centre, I've left space for the word journaling, and I'm going to do this using my black brush pen. And that's our cover completed. Moving on to the inside, this style of journaling will mostly consist of writing, drawing, and colouring. The first step is our title. Mine is going to be September, so I'm going to go ahead and write this in the same style as I did for the cover. I'm also loosening this up with a cloud around it using a fine liner. While I still have the fine liner to hand, I'm going to write just outside of the cloud, Mood Tracker, in capital letters, but smaller than our title. Now, on to creating our mood tracker. Start by drawing 4 curved lines along the width of the page, and then draw the amount of squares you need for the month. For September, I'm drawing 30 squares. Once you've finished, draw another square in each one, but leave a little gap for the date. You can then choose which of the colours you want to represent your mood, and draw a little chart at the top for what each one means. The page has a few spaces left, so let's draw some little pumpkins, starting with circular shapes. And then on top, I'm going to draw some small lines vertically and join them at the bottom using my fine liner. Lastly, we'll add the numbers. On the second page, we're going to create a bucket list. Mine is themed around autumn, so I'm going to create my title, and underneath it, I'm going to write bucket list in a different font using my fine liner again. To bring it all together, I'm going to draw a banner around it. Now it's time to start writing your list of desired activities. Mine are all themed around autumn, and let us know in the comments what you themed your bucket list around. The last couple of touches I'm adding are some small doodles around the page, again keeping it autumn themed. And that's how you create a mood tracker and bucket list.